Hello friends, welcome to our channel Concept Matters. Today, I as a member of this YouTube channel want to tell you that we have created a Discord server for our channel. The link you will get in the description box. So today, I will tell you how you can log in Discord. So friends, now I will tell you how to install Discord and use it to log in to our Discord server. First of all, you have to go to Play Store. Then you have to type Discord. Like this interface will come. Then you have to click on install. But I have already installed, so it is coming like this. Then you have to click on open. You can click on open, or you can go where it is said to open it. Like as I am opening it now. It will take a little time to open. If you are new in Discord, so you have to register, but as I'm already user, so I will just log in. Here I will give my details. Those are already a user, and if you are new, you have to give your date of birth, and like there's many things you have to give. Now, after this type of interface will come, so not to include, you have to come here. This is the actual Discord interface of this. Now you will go to our YouTube channel, this video description, but I will not go to YouTube now because we have not uploaded this video. So I will go into my Teams app. I am having an app, there I will take the link because it is not uploaded till now. Till that time you can go to YouTube and search, and so you will go to our channel and you will get it. Now see, like this you will click on it. See, like this it will come. You will click on accept invite. See, like this interface will come. This is our channel. Now see, as I have already joined, this is the welcome. Here you can see that hi lol Memedular OP, welcome to our official Discord server. I hope you enjoy in this server. Please read the rules and rules. See, so we have joined. Now I will tell you what to do next step. Suppose then here you will come. This is our info, owner info, that is our YouTube channel's info. It is given. Next it is of rules. Here you will see the rules. What are the rules? Because everything must have rules. And next comes the roles channel. In roles you will see what type of roles are there. Many roles are there. It doesn't depends, you will read and guess. Now this is the announcement. Here suppose we want to announce anything, we'll announce it, you can see it. Next comes the entrance category. This is welcome dear, nothing you have to do, just your name will come, that hello, I welcome, like these things will come. Then you have to go to self roles. This is a place where you will choose your gender and class. Suppose my gender is male, so I'm choosing male. And here class you will choose, I'm in class 8, so I will be choosing class 8. See, you have to see your username, what type of username you have given. See, my username is lol Memedular OP. See, now I am here. See, I've got the roles of male and class 8 because I have, and public role you will get by default. Next comes the bye bye. Suppose you join the server and you will leave it, so here a message will come that bye bye, they have left. Next comes the YouTube. This is not necessary, this is level up. So next comes the YouTube category. Here there are two options, video alerts and announcement. In video alerts, if you upload any video, the video link will come in this channel. Now if for announcement, if you want to do, for as we are not 500 subscribers, so we will not get community tab, so we will use this announcement as a community tab. Next comes the public zone. Here is the chatting zone. Here you can type hi, hello, what are you doing, like this if you want to talk. Here is this spamming channel. Here you can do spamming, like hi, you will can write 1,000 times, depends upon you. These two are the jokes and memes channel where you can share. This is a bots mania. This one, those who are a Discord user, they will only know this, because those who are new, they will not. So that for those who are new, they can ask in this feedback category help. Ask doubts, homework help. So suppose you got any work in school and you can't do that, so you can ask. Now next, here comes this study talks channel category. Here there are 4 voice channels. Voice channel means you will click on it. See, one option will come, the join voice. See, if you click on it, first time it will come like this options. So as you have joined, now see, if you want to invite friends, you can click here and you can invite others like this. So you can talk hi, hello, whatever. If you want to decline, leave. But don't join in, suppose you did it in class 6 and if you want to join in class 7, please don't do that without request. Now this is for talking, gossiping. Suppose that is for only education thing. You can ask doubts and do if you don't want to write. Here in music channel, you can type here any song. First you have to join any of the music channel. Suppose I joined here. Now like this it will come. After joining, to go here and you have to write dot play any song's name you can type. Suppose I'm writing Faded. Like this you have to click send it. You click it. See, automatically it will start playing. I don't know whether the sound is going or not, because Discord does not support screen recorder. So after you just write dot stop if you want to stop the song. See, now it stopped. Now again resume the song. Please write dot resume. It will start again. See, this bot is currently not playing. It will come because resume is very disturbing in this Discord. So again you can leave it. So as I have now, I think everything is cleared. This is nothing else. The system messages is not for you all. Here only like these things will come that you hoped in, have you bought pizzas, like these things the system will automatically give. This is a place that means how many members are there. Don't count the bots. Those are already user, they might be knowing what are bots, but bots are not counted here. Those who are not there, I'm telling that bots are like, what to say, they will do our work very easily. Like suppose I am the president and I am having many ministers, like they are also type of ministers. So friends, if you like this video, please like and share, and please join our Discord server, because here we will get every notification about our channel. Thank you.